Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Samsung Live Translate feature. Samsung Live Translate provides real-time voice and text translation during phone calls, allowing you to speak your native language while the person on the other end hears a translated version. As of May 2026, the feature has expanded beyond the native dialer to support most major third-party messaging applications. To enable Live Translate, all you have to do is go ahead and open your setting. From there, head to Galaxy AI and ensure that you have given your device a permission to use this Galaxy AI. Once you tap on this continue and ensure that you have a good Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, you might want to toggle between your data. Now, once you do so, you should be able to find Call Assist option. Go ahead and tap on it. From there, head to Live Translate. Switch the feature to on, then select your language and preferred voice style. Now select the language of the person you are calling. If the language isn't listed, tap the download icon to install the required Samsung language pack. You can choose to mute your own voice or the other person's voice so that only the translated audio is audible during the call. And that is how you can use this Live Translate feature on Samsung. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.